Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to condition my new Red Wing 8828 in Alpine Portage leather. It is very simple, and I usually do this every time I use it in my backyard work. First is you should be able to remove the shoelaces so that you can apply shoe conditioner to all the corners and nooks of these boots. Set aside first the shoelaces. It is very easy to use this because to put it back because you have those keepers. By the way, this is already 1 month old, and I've been using this 8828 for the past 1 month or 31 days. Let's get back to the process of cleaning and conditioning this pair of Red Wing boots. Here I'm going to use the Kiwi shoe wax. This is very available on the local market. Almost all the convenience stores you can see and buy this shoe wax, and it is very cheap. This is the natural shoe wax. We are going to use this. You can see this is natural wax. There is no color, and it is very appropriate for the leather. But first we're going to brush it. I have here a shoe hair brush, and I bought this locally, and we're going to brush. I already cleaned the black outsole with a wet cloth. It is very easy to clean using a damp cloth, and the color of the outsole brings back the original color. And now we're going to apply the shoe wax using my fingers without any cloth. This is a technique that I've been using. I have an old toothbrush, and I use this to apply shoe wax on the midsole. And I also apply wax on this part of the shoes. This is hard to reach by the hand, so there. And I'm going to wait for about 15 minutes to let the shoe wax dry on the leather before I'm going to brush and look if there is shine or sheen on the leather. While waiting for the leather and shoe wax to dry, I can clean my shoelaces by putting some shoe wax, and I'm going to use this cloth. Put on some shoe wax on the cloth, and then get the other end and just run through it. One more. Get the other pair. See, it's dirty. Run through it up to the shoe keeper and shoelace keeper, and then very easy. You can see a lot of dirt coming from the shoelaces. So after 15 minutes of letting the shoe wax dry on the shoes, on the leather of the shoes, we're going to brush it with a horsehair brush. So it's done. So I'm putting back the shoelaces